Hello everyone. Now we will bring up a topic about how to achieve mental balance. Achieving mental balance is a continuous process that requires attention to various aspects of your life. Here are some actionable steps to help maintain mental balance. 1. Take care of your physical health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress. Eat a balanced diet. Prioritize whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to support brain health. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep helps restore mental clarity. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood and focus. 2. Practice mindfulness and relaxation. Meditate. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily in mindfulness meditation to calm your mind. Deep breathing exercises. Simple techniques like deep belly breathing can reduce stress quickly. Engage in hobbies. Do activities you love that keep you in the present moment. 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Connect with loved ones. Regular interaction with supportive friends or family strengthens your emotional health. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to toxic relationships or unnecessary stressors. 4. Develop emotional awareness. Acknowledge feelings. Allow yourself to feel emotions without judgment. Journal. Writing your thoughts and feelings helps you process them constructively. Seek help when needed. Speak to a counselor or therapist if emotions become overwhelming. 5. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set limits. Avoid overworking. Take regular breaks. Prioritize tasks. Use to-do lists or time management tools to reduce mental clutter. Unplug. Limit screen time, especially social media, to reduce mental fatigue. 6. Engage in personal growth. Learn new skills. Challenging your brain with something new enhances mental agility. Read or listen to inspiring content. Positive input can improve your outlook on life. 7. Cultivate gratitude. Practice gratitude. Reflect daily on things you're thankful for, big or small. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and appreciate your progress. 8. Embrace nature. Spend time outdoors. Nature walks, or just sitting outside, can reduce stress and improve mood. 9. Avoid harmful habits. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Excessive consumption can increase anxiety. Avoid procrastination. It often leads to unnecessary stress. 10. Be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. Accept imperfection. Strive for progress, not perfection. Building mental balance is a journey. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself. If you're facing significant challenges, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Please take care of yourself.